KGF is not about Yash. It is not just Yash's film. See, I am just the face of it, but there are many more heroes in this film. Film is all about ambition of a person to conquer the world. I call it as a vision and mission. It's not just a movie, because for us to achieve something like this was not a very ordinary thing. We have depended on sets a lot because we had to create that 70s and 80s feel. This one particular set I am talking about is in KGF, where we shoot that gold mine portion. We started with a location. They went for a lot of places. They went to a lot of mines. Finally, we ended up choosing KGF location itself. A lot of people recommended not to shoot there. They said it is very risky because that's a processed sand, so the extraction would have been happened, and extraction happens with cyanide. Cyanide, of course, it is not active, but still it can have its side effects. But the whole geography of that place was very unique. The art director Shivu has done an amazing job. He has worked on each and every small aspect of the department, even the smallest tools. There is a maintenance room there. There is a shaft area where mining happens. There is a hut area where everybody stays. So the whole geography of the place, we had to have different kind of sets.
Ready sir, 1 second.
We had a lot of issues because the weather didn't support us. Unfortunately, all of us had to be barefoot. So it used to be so hard for taking one small shot also, it was difficult. We used to pour water, it used to evaporate like this. 2 minutes is the max we could take one shot. After that we used to run. DOP Bhuvan Gowda, he has done an amazing job. He was not compromising, especially with the lighting. We used to go there early in the morning. In rainy season, even to go there with the vehicle was difficult. We knew we were making something big, so all of us were motivated. We didn't let it go. VFX we have only used for extensions most of the times. We had a massive set also. At the same time we had a huge crowd, but still very few places we felt we have to fill it till the end, or maybe that we had to change the backdrop because city was seen in few places. I would ask the people who come to theatre should come with a very fresh mind, because this cinema is a little different from regular cinema, and that was our intention. should thank Prashant Neer. He is a man who has created this kind of world for all of us. So KGF, yes, it was one such script where I felt, yes, this will definitely entertain people.